Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the physical path, cables, power, and connectors. Once done, select the correct output in the system tray, make sure volume is not at 0 and mute is off. If using USB or Bluetooth, confirm the device appears in the device list and is connected. Also quickly test another set of speakers or headphones to isolate the problem. This tells you whether the issue is the PC versus the peripheral. Next, focus on software, drivers, and services. You open Device Manager and look for warning icons. Once found, update or roll back the driver, or download the vendor package for your model. Make sure Windows Audio and Windows Audio and Point Builder services are running. Restart them if needed. Run the built-in troubleshooter to catch configuration conflicts. If you recently installed an update or new software, consider a system. For final fixes, you examine device properties. Set a standard sample rate, disable audio enhancements, and turn off exclusive mode so apps do not block sound. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or a Linux Live USB to determine whether hardware is faulty. As a last step, uninstall audio devices from Device Manager, reboot to let Windows rebuild the stack, and reinstall drivers. If still muted, try a different audio port or an external USB sound adapter as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.